So today, the first batch of H1N1 vaccine is scheduled to arrive in Kootenai County. The Panhandle Health District says its goal is to vaccinate 100,000 people against the swine flu in 5 North Idaho counties. KXLY4's Tania Dall is live at the Health District tonight. Tania, an ambitious plan, but health officials do have a game plan.
They do have a game plan, and they say in 2 weeks the Panhandle Health District will start distributing the H1N1 vaccine, and it's only going to go to its priority populations like healthcare workers and school kids. Then in late November, early December, that's when those doses will be available to everyone.
We finally received our first shipment of vaccine for H1N1. Very small quantities.
It's not much, but the Panhandle Health District got its hands on 500 doses of the H1N1 nasal mist vaccine today.
It's not all available yet, and again, this first week was a few hundred doses for us, so not huge quantities.
Health officials like Dall say they expected a couple thousand doses to be delivered to help kick off a swine flu vaccination plan. Their goal to reach 100,000 people.
Next week's delivery is still in hundreds, not thousands.
As more shipments come in, the first line of attack will be schools, healthcare workers, pregnant women, and certain patients with medical conditions, like Kashioya's son, who suffers from asthma.
My son at a young age had some asthma issues, and so he's kind of high on the list as far as, getting his shots every year, so we've been continuing to do that.
This family of 3 showed up to the Panhandle Health District to get their seasonal flu shots and are thinking about following up with the H1N1 vaccine.
We're going to look into that a little further, only because we've heard some different issues with the actual vaccinations.
The Panhandle Health District doesn't expect everyone to want the H1N1 vaccine. Kootenai Health, which oversees Kootenai Medical Center, is recommending that all staff get inoculated. The Coeur d'Alene School District says it'll send out consent forms home with students so that parents can then decide.
I think the first doses will certainly be taken up fairly quickly. There were certainly national surveys done most recently that show about 50% of the population would want to take the vaccine if it were available today.
And shipments of the H1N1 vaccine are expected to arrive over the next couple of weeks and months. And all vaccines distributed by the Panhandle Health District will be free to the public. Reporting live in Hayden, Tania Dall, KXLY4 HD News.